Hi everyone, this is Hormone from Garden Plant Lover. I'm going to introduce Kellogg's breakfast tomatoes today. As you can see, they are beautiful bright orange color and they do come in various shapes and sizes. This is close to a pound and this is a quite small tomato. It is a beefsteak type. And let's see what's inside. I grow this for the first time this year and I have to decide whether I want to grow it again or not. Oh wow, look at this. It is in apricot color, true apricot color, and it is very meaty and very few gel inside. And let's try how it tastes. Oh wow, it's the flesh is silky and very smooth, and it's a sweet tomato with low acid. Oh my god, I have to take another bite. It's sweet tomato lovers, this is for you. Alright, if you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. I really have to go.